explain about MITEC, the Malaysia International Trade and Exhibition Centres. It is one of the bigger exhibition centres in Malaysia that located in Kuala Lumpur. MITEC is known for hosting a large international events such as trade shows and business expos. This venue has modern facilities, big column-free halls, and advanced event technology. Because of this, MITEC is very suitable for events that need a large space and strong digital support. MITEC is also flexible, where organizers can customize the hall for conventions, product launches, or international exhibition. Their team is experienced in handling big crowds and smooth event flow. So overall, the Malaysia International Trade and Exhibition Centre focus on innovation, modern infrastructure and large-scale event execution. So next is about PWTC, the Putra World Trade Centre. PWTC is one of Malaysia's most established MICE venues that located in Kuala Lumpur. It is popular for conference, consumer expos, cultural events, and government programs. PWTC offers many halls and meeting rooms that can be adjusted based on different event needs. The venue has strong experience in managing official and professional events. One of PWTC's strengths is a strategic location because it is highly accessible and connected to public transportation. PWTC also support hybrid event that combining physical and virtual attendance. So overall, the Putra World Trade Centre is strong in logistics, crowd management and traditional event operation.
For this slide, I will explain the critical decision for both MITEC and PWTC. For MITEC, the main decision focus on space and hall configuration. MITEC has very large, open, and multi-level halls, so planners must choose the right halls, design booth layout, and ensure smooth circulation. Next, technology integration. MITEC usually hosts corporate or international event, so decision involve choosing the registration system like QR check-in, placing LED screen, digital signage, and making sure Wi-Fi is strong. Lastly, catering and hospitality. MITEC has in-house catering, so planners must choose menus, plan serving time, and ensure quality, especially for VIP or international. For PWTC, decision focus on choosing the right hall such as Dewan Merdeka or Tun Razak halls and planning how visitors move between floors. For ticketing, PWTC is always crowded, so planners must decide on manual e-ticketing system, queue lines and barriers set up for safety. Both zoning is also important to make sure large exhibitors don't block walkways and visitor flow remains smooth. Next slide is about adaptability, how each venue handle last minute changes. For MITEC adapts easily because the halls are modular. This allows quick booth adjustment or layout change. Technical issue can be handled with backup system like manual QR and standby staff. MITEC can also manage crowd movement by opening extra entrances or adjusting flow direction. If vendor delay equipment, MITEC can adjust loading schedule and add manpower to speed up setup. For PWTC usually deals with crowd surges, so they open more doors or add rela marshal to control congestion. If exhibitors arrive late, PWTC rearrange booths so the floor does not look empty. For ticketing problem, they switch to manual counter and add more staff. And if an event overlaps with another one, PWTC will shift station, reduce room size and adjust timing. Finally, this slide summarizes the comparison between both venues. In terms of decision focus, MyTech concentrates on technical, logistic and space planning. PWTC focus more on crowd control, booth zoning and traffic handling. For event types, MyTech is suitable for corporate, international expos or technology event. PWTC is more for public expos, fairs and consumer-based event. Key challenge for MyTech include technical system, booth changes and vendor logistics. Meanwhile, PWDC deals with crowd surges, ticketing issue and traffic congestion. Overall, MyTech is more modern and systematic, while PWTC is more practical, experienced and scalable for large public crowds. And that concludes my explanation on decision making, adaptability and comparison between MyTech and PWTC.
Hi, my name is Eli Rowena and my metric code number is 305916. So today I will be presenting the management skill of adaptability, that's my part, which focus on how event organizers at the PWTC and MyTech adjust to unexpected challenge or change during the MICE events. So first of all, the adaptability in PWTC, also known as World Trade Center Kuala Lumpur, is a venue that handles very large crowds, multiple halls, and back-to-back events. And because of that, the adaptability is extremely important. So one major form of adaptability at PWTC is operational flexibility. Since the venue has 4 main halls and 21 meeting rooms, organizers, they usually need to change the event layouts at the very last minute. For example, they need to adjust to the seating arrangement and adding more booths or expanding space for exhibitors. So PWTC's modular hall design, it allows the team to adapt quickly without interrupting the flow of events. Another example is technology adaptability. If one hall experiences audio or lighting issues, PWTC built-in AV system and staging points, it allows the technical team to switch equipment or reroute system quickly and ensuring the event continues smoothly. So PWTC also adapts well to participant volume change. Next is the adaptability in MyTech. So MyTech, or the other hand, is also known for its modern design and high technology facilities, which support adaptability in different kind of ways. So one key form of adaptability at MyTech is digital and hybridness. MyTech is equipped with smart system, high-speed internet, LED projection, and live streaming support, which they can do hybrid event. When organizers need to switch an event from fully physical to hybrid, for example, due to the speaker absent or sudden travel issues, MyTech can accommodate the change immediately. MyTech also adapts to international audience needs using its simultaneous interpretation system. So if the event attracts multilingual participants, organizers can integrate live translation or switch language during presentation without disrupting the program. Another strength is logistic adaptability. MyTech has 11 exhibition halls with multiple level loading docks. It allows the event teams to bring in large equipment or booths even at the very last minute. This is extremely helpful for trade shows with exhibitors make sudden requests or change. So MyTech's adaptability mainly comes from its advanced technology, hybrid capability, and its ability to support quick logistical adjustment. So in conclusion, both PWTC and MyTech, they can demonstrate strong adaptability but in different ways. PWTC is highly adaptable in terms of space, crowd management, and event layout flexibility, while MyTech, it offers adaptability through modern technology, hybrid event support, and efficient logistics. So this adaptability, They plays a really crucial role in ensuring the success of any MICE event hosted at this
Now,
venue.
let's move into our market understanding. First, we have MyTech, which is in contrast. MyTech targets a more premium and international market, such as global exhibitors, professional buyers, and also multinational corporation. Their events are typically larger in scale, including international trade shows and also high-level corporate exhibition. This market requires advanced facilities such as modern AV technology, digital screens, and high-end catering, and also massive column free halls that support complex setup. MyTech also caters to multilingual visitors and hybrid event format. The key market trend for MyTech is the growing demand for international expos, especially in fast-growing sectors like technology, robotic, and also healthcare. There's also a significant shift toward hybrid and digitally enhanced event, which is MyTech well equipped to support. With all this, MyTech is positioned as a world-class modern exhibition venue and perfect for organizer who is looking to reach a regional or global audience. Next, we have PWTC, which is PWTC mainly targets local and regional audience, including government agency, association, and educational institution. Their focus is on events such as community programs, conference, and mid-sized corporate gatherings. These organizers typically look for affordable venue package, easy accessibility through LRT, KTM, and bus connection, and flexible halls that can be transformed for conference and exhibition or banquets. PWTC also follows market trends where there's strong demand for community-based expos, education fair, and government-led convention, which is usually attract large local crowd. So overall, PWTC position itself as a cost-effective, accessible, and highly versatile venue, more ideal for organizer who wants a high local turnout and a practical venue solution.
My name is Nora Arisha binti Romi Amora. My matric card number 303473. Today, I will compare two giants in the Malaysia event industry, MyTech and PWTC. Especially, I want to explain how they identify opportunity, meaning how they find new business, and the marketing strategy they use to capture it. Let's start with MyTech on the left side of the slide. MyTech identified a big gap in the market. Before MyTech, we couldn't host massive international trade show that required huge open space for heavy machinery or thousands of booths. So, what is MyTech strategy is MyTech market themselves as the global gateway. Their marketing target international organizers. They travel to global event in Europe and promoting their key selling point. They say client, we are the only place in Malaysia that can handle your biggest event, heaviest event, and most complex exhibition. Let's look at PWTC. Their approach is very different. They identify their opportunity based on location and legacy. PWTC know they are right in the heart of Kuala Lumpur, attached to hotel and the LRT. So, what is their marketing strategy? PWTC market themselves as the national hub. Instead of chasing heavy machinery, they target people focused on event. PWTC focus on government, convention, political gathering, and social event like wedding. Their marketing sales convenient and affordability. To summarize this slide, MyTech identified opportunity in the international industry market, selling space and logistics. Meanwhile, PWTC identified opportunity in the local social corporate market, selling history and connection. Moving on the next slide. First, let's look at the management style. MyTech run like a modern corporation. Even though the building is government building, it is managed by private company. This gives them a very business first first-class mindset. They are fast, efficient, and follow strict international standards. Meanwhile, PWTC, on the other hand, relies on the experience and relationship. Their management team has been around for a long time. They have deep connection with the government. Their skill is not just managing the venue, but managing the people, especially VIP and politicians. How do they plan effectively? MITEC planning skill is technical precision. Think of them as the hardware expert. MITEC use digital tools and online portal to manage complex logistics. If you are planning a trade show with heavy machine or 500 booths, MITEC is the best planning for the perfect because they focus on safety, learning base, and engineering. Meanwhile, PWTC planning skill is hospitality. Think of them as the software expert. PWTC planning focus all services. They offer all-in-one package that include the room, the decoration, and the most importantly, their famous in-house catering. Their planner are very hands-on and will guide you through the whole process. To conclude this slide, if high-tech planning for a massive exhibition, the opportunity is at MITEC. But for high-touch service, for a banquet or convention, the opportunity is at PWTC. Both venue identify opportunity that match their specific management strength. That's all for me. Thank
We
you.
move to innovation, MITEC vs PWTC. We start with MITEC. First is AI exhibition management. MITEC can heat mapping for crowd, flow and exhibitor analytics. Second is robotic and drone logistics. Robot for booth setup, drone for safety checks. Number 3, industrial tech showcase. MITEC can bring experience with EV test drive, zone, robotic demos and halal tech expo. Number 4 is innovation branding. Position MITEC as a Malaysian future tech hub. Okay, we are done with MITEC. Now we go through to PWTC. First is digital heritage transformation. Lobby with interactive history of national event. Number 2, VIP and diplomatic security tech, facial recognition and blockchains, access for leaders. Number 3, hybrid government studio. Live broadcast studio for policy, launch and summits. Number 4, urban culture business package, river of live networking, plus Chowky Food Trail.
Next, we compare resource management for MITEC and PWTC. For MITEC, the venues large and spacious halls make manpower allocation easier and more efficient. They also use a centralized command center that helps coordinate logistics, security, and operations in real time. This system allows MITEC to manage mega events smoothly. For PWTC or WTCKL, resource management relies more on experience. Their long-serving team is very familiar with the venue, so event transitions are fast and well organized. PWTC also has strong and mature SOP, as well as trusted vendors for catering, AV, and security. In short, MITEC use modern systems to manage resources, while PWTC use experienced staff and well-established
So
SOP.
in conclusion, MITEC and PWTC both play important roles in Malaysia's MICE industry. MITEC is more modern and suitable for large and high-tech exhibition. Meanwhile, PWTC is more experienced and convenient for conference and official events. So both venues have different strengths in management, marketing and planning, and also depending on the type of the event. Thank you.